In this video, I will show you how to block someone on LinkedIn. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and liking the video so others can find it. So if for some reason you want to block someone on LinkedIn, maybe you don't want that person to find your profile, doing it is actually very simple. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. So the first thing we're going to do is to find the person that we wish to block. In this case, I'm going to be using my friend as an example, just so you guys can see how to do it. You're going to go ahead and open up their profile on LinkedIn. And here you're going to have different options. You can message the person, or you can click on more to see more options. If you scroll down, you can unfollow the person. That is another option that you can have in case you just want to stop the connection that you have with that person. You can also do that as well by clicking on remove connection. But if you wish to block the person completely, you simply don't want that person to see or find your profile, you can simply click on report and block. After you click on block, you have the option to simply block the person, or you can also report their account or any element that they have on their profile. So I'm going to simply click on block, and then LinkedIn is going to ask you to confirm your action, because if you block this person, you will no longer be connected and you will lose any endorsements or recommendations from this person. So go ahead and simply click on block to confirm your action, and that's it. I hope this video helped you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye!